I'm Taruna Girdhar from Girdhar Education Classes. Today I'm here with another lesson from class 12, the third level by Jack Finney. The main characters of the lesson are Charlie, a 31-year-old protagonist, his wife Louisa, his psychiatrist friend Sam. Here, Charlie is facing some psychiatric problem. He always forgets the things. He is not able to complete his work on time. Many times he leaves things at many places and then fights with his wife Louisa. Charlie एक साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहा है. अक्सर चीज़ें रखकर भूल जाता है, काम समय पर पूरा नहीं होता और इसीलिए कई बार उसकी अपनी पत्नी लुइसा से लड़ाई हो जाती है. His friend Sam, who is a psychiatrist and is treating Charlie, calls it working dream wish fulfillment. वो चार्ली से कहता है कि चार्ली अपने काम के बोझ से, एंजाइटी और स्ट्रेस से बचना चाहता है, इसलिए वो ऐसा करता है. The Grand Central Station of New York has 2 levels in it. स्टेशन के 2 लेवल्स हैं, आप फ्लोर्स कह सकते हैं. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क एंड द अथॉरिटीज कैन स्वेयर ऑफ इट कि देयर आर ओनली 2 लेवल्स. वहाँ की सरकार का कहना है कि वहाँ सिर्फ 2 ही लेवल्स हैं, फर्स्ट लेवल एंड सेकेंड लेवल. बट चार्ली सेज दैट ही हैज़ एक्सपीरियंस्ड द थर्ड लेवल. उसने थर्ड लेवल देखा है. Sam just tells him that he wants to escape from anxiety and stress, so he imagines the third level. क्योंकि चार्ली अपनी परेशानियों से भागना चाहता है, इसलिए थर्ड लेवल उसके लिए भाग जाने का एक माध्यम है, a mean to escape. Charlie does not accept it. वो इस बात को नहीं मानता. He says that people collect stamps, pictures, letters, कॉइन्स. लोग इन सारी चीज़ों को, स्टैम्प्स को, पिक्चर्स को, कॉइन्स को कलेक्ट करते हैं. आर दे फीलिंग स्ट्रेस्ड? क्या वो भी स्ट्रेस्ड फील करते हैं? यहाँ वो अपने दादाजी का एक एग्जाम्पल देता है. ही गिव्स एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ हिज ग्रैंडफादर हु यूज्ड टू कलेक्ट स्टैम्प्स एंड ही हैड कलेक्टेड मैनी फर्स्ट डे कवर letters. What are these first day cover letters? In old times, when people got the stamp published, on the very first day they would buy the stamp, paste it on an envelope, write their own address, put an empty letter into it, no letter at all, and they would post it. Then the post office would confirm it by putting an ink stamp on it. पुराने समय में लोग अक्सर ऐसा करते थे. जिस दिन एक नया स्टैम्प इशू होता था तो लोग उसे खरीद लेते थे, लेकर एक लिफाफे पर लिखते और अपना एड्रेस लिखकर और एक खाली कागज़ उसमें डालकर अपने ही पते पर इस लेटर को पोस्ट कर देते. जैसे ही लेटर बॉक्स में से उसे निकाला जाता तो पोस्ट ऑफिस से एक इंक की स्टैम्प उसके ऊपर लगा दी जाती और इस तरह से स्टैम्प का डेट जो है जब वो इशू की गई है तो वो कन्फर्म हो जाती. Charlie is having so many first day cover letters with him which were collected by his grandfather. इस तरह के उसके पास बहुत सारे लेटर्स हैं जो उसके दादाजी ने बनाए थे. Charlie always complains that when he enters into the Grand Central Station of New York, he finds new corridors, new tunnels and stairs every day. He feels that this station is growing like a tree. वो हमेशा इस बात की कंप्लेन करता है कि जब भी वो एंटर करता है ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन में तो वहाँ वो हमेशा नई नई कॉरिडोर्स देखता है, नई सुरंगें नज़र आती हैं, नई सीढ़ियाँ नज़र आती हैं. वो चलता जाता है एंड ही फाइंड हिमसेल्फ स्टैंडिंग ऑन द रोड, समटाइम इन अ होटल और इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस. चलते चलते वो कहीं का कहीं पहुँच जाता है. ही इज़ सो मच वरीड. एंड देन one day something strange happened with him. It was a summer day. He got late by him in his office. He rushed to the house. When he entered into the Grand Central Station, he saw a big tunnel there. He entered into the tunnel and started walking. एक रात जब उसे काम करते में समय देर हो गई तो वो जल्दी जल्दी घर जाने लगा. जैसे ही ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन में एंटर हुआ तो वहाँ एक नई सुरंग नजर आई और उसमें चलने लगा. After walking for a long time, he heard some noise at the end of the tunnel and some activity came to his notice. तब उसने देखा कि टनल के आखिर से कुछ आवाज़ें आ रही हैं और कुछ एक्टिविटी भी हो रही है. When he reached there, oh, it was the third level. जब वो वहाँ पहुँचा तो उसने देखा ये थर्ड लेवल है. Why? How can he say that it was third level? To confirm this, he started looking here and there. He saw people were wearing old type of attires. The women were wearing old-fashioned clothes. Their sleeves were mutton-shaped. The locomotives, the wagons which were standing, the train which was standing there, their bogies were, the bogies of the trains standing there were old type. They were wooden bogies. He saw a boy was sitting there. He was selling some newspaper. He went there and picked up the first newspaper. It was the publication of The World, and the date on it was June 11, 1892. That means he has travelled back into the time. He rushed to the ticket counter. He tried to buy tickets for himself and his wife Louisa. He wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. Galesburg, Illinois was a place which was described by his grandfather usually to him. His grandfather used to tell him that it was a very, very beautiful place, greenery all around, beautiful bungalows and people enjoying their life, having parties of lemonade. Even there was no electricity, but people lived so peacefully there. So since his childhood, Charlie wanted to go to this place. He rushed to the ticket counter and tried to buy the ticket. The person at the ticket counter looked at him strangely. He gave him the tickets and asked for the bills. Charlie paid the money. That man looked at Charlie, snapped the tickets and looked at Charlie very strangely. What are you paying? What is this? Where is the currency? Charlie said, this is the currency. That man opened the drawer and showed him some old type of coins and said, this is the currency. Are you trying to fool me? I am going to call the cops. मैं पुलिस बुलाने वाला हूँ. When Charlie understood that this was very old time and old currency was working there, he rushed from there to save himself. When he reached home, he told about it to Louisa and his friend Sam also. उसने घर आने के बाद अपनी वाइफ लुइसा को ये बात बताई और सैम को भी. After that, he converted his whole savings into the old types of currency. उसने अपने सारे इकट्ठे किए हुए पैसों को पुराने टाइप की करेंसी में कन्वर्ट करवा दिया. For many days he was not able to meet Sam. Sam has gone somewhere without telling him. कई दिन तक उसकी सैम से मुलाकात नहीं हो सकी. सैम उसे बताए बगैर कहीं चला गया था. Charlie was very much disturbed. He was searching and searching for third level again and again. He was waiting to find third level so that he might be able to get tickets to go to Galesburg, Illinois with his wife. One day when he was sitting there and was just looking through the first take-cover letters collected by his grandfather, he happened to see a letter there. This letter was sent to him by Sam, his friend. How can it happen? It was 1894. Sam, how can Sam send this letter in old times? Why didn't he notice this letter before? He opened the letter. This letter was from his friend Sam to him. The letter said, Sam has written that I have reached here 2 weeks ago. I am at Galesburg, Illinois. I am enjoying my life very much. People here live very peacefully. They have no stress, no anxiety. Someone is playing piano, someone is singing, and in the evening there will be a party of lemonade. Please buy tickets. You And Louisa, please come here. We will enjoy the life here. I have stopped working as a psychiatrist because there is no need of a psychiatrist here. Till then, Charlie is looking for the third level. He believes one day he will find third level and will be able to reach there. उस दिन से चार्ली, जब से उसने वो लेटर पढ़ा है कि जिसमें सैम ने कहा कि मैं 2 हफ्ते पहले इस जगह पर पहुंच गया हूं, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं तुम भी यहाँ आओगे। यहाँ कोई पियानो बजा रहा है, कोई गीत गा रहा है, किसी को कोई चिंता नहीं, कोई तनाव नहीं है। तुम और लोइसा जल्दी से टिकट्स लेकर यहाँ आ जाओ। मैंने साइकेट्रिस्ट का काम बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि यहाँ साइकेट्रिस्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं है। मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ। उस दिन से चार्ली वो सारे पैसे अपने साथ लिए थर्ड लेवल की तलाश कर रहा है। उसे उम्मीद है वेरी सून ही विल गेट दिस वन। उसे ये लेवल ज़रूर मिल जाएगा। तब वो और लुइसा इस तनावपूर्ण जीवन से दूर चले जाएंगे और वहाँ जाकर सैम के साथ अच्छा जीवन जिएंगे। This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much.